Hey everyone, trouble with your Mint Mobile International Pass. In this video, I'll guide you through quick and easy solutions to fix it and get you back online seamlessly. Let's get started. MMS registration might be disabled in the phone's messaging settings. Network connectivity issues can disrupt group messaging. Software glitches or corrupted cache data in the messaging app. Device specific issues, including outdated firmware or unaddressed bugs, can affect group messaging functionality. Mint Mobile's reliance on T Mobile network infrastructure may lead to occasional service disruptions affecting MMS or SMS. Fix 1. Verify international pass activation. Check your account, log into the Mint mobile app or website, navigate to account, then go to services to confirm your international pass is active and not expired. Text confirmation. Send roam to 6700 to check your pass status. Fix 2. Toggle airplane mode and data roaming. It prompts the device to recheck roaming permissions and configurations which are essential for using the international pass. To airplane mode reset, swipe down the quick settings or control center in your phone, turn airplane mode on for 30 seconds, then off to refresh network connection. Turning data roaming off and back on ensures the phone is allowed to connect to foreign networks for data, calls, and text. To enable data roaming on iOS, go to settings, then cellular, then go to cellular data options, data roaming toggle on. On Android, go to settings, network and internet, then go to mobile network, then tap on data roaming toggle on. Fix 3. Restart your phone. Restarting clears temporary system glitches, refreshes network connections, and ensure proper functioning of features like Mint Mobile's International Pass. For Android, press and hold the power button or power plus volume down for 1 to 2 seconds. Select the restart option from the menu. Wait for the mobile to restart. For iOS, press and hold the power button or power plus volume up for 2 seconds. Swipe the power icon to turn off the device, press the power button or power plus volume up again to turn it back on. Fix 4. Disable Wi-Fi calling. If you have Wi-Fi calling enabled, disable it as it may interfere with roaming connections. On iOS, go to settings, then cellular, then go to Wi-Fi calling, then toggle off. On Android, go to settings, then network and internet, mobile network, Wi-Fi calling, toggle off. If you cannot find the Wi-Fi calling option, then your device does not support the feature. Fix 5. Confirm coverage in your country. Check Mint International's roaming page for supported countries. Visit Mint's international roaming page. Click Check eligible countries. Select your country name from drop-down box to know the eligibility. Some places like Maldives are not included in Mint Mobile available countries. If it is not available, you will get message stating, "Sorry, we don't have coverage in Maldives yet." Known issues. Some users report no data in Japan, Thailand, or South Korea despite voice or text working. Fix 6. Update APN settings. Updating APN settings can help resolve group texting issues by ensuring the correct configuration for MMS, which is a multimedia messaging service, which is required for group text involving non iMessage users. For iOS, open settings, go to mobile data or cellular data, then go to mobile data network or cellular data network, then tap on APN and the APN details. Select Done to save settings, then restart your iPhone. APN settings for iOS, APN wholesale and MMSC http wholesale.mms mvno.com/mms/webenc, leave the other fields blank. On Android, open settings, go to network and internet or connections varies by device, then go to mobile network, select the SIM, access point name, tap the plus add button to create a new APN, save the APN and enable it. Name Mint APN Wholesale MMSC http wholesale.mms/mvno.com/mms webenc multimedia message port 8080 APN type default supple MMS-IA APN protocol IPv4 or IPv6 APN roaming protocol IPv4 or IPv6 MVNO type GID MVNO value 756T. Leave the other fields blank. Fix 7. Reset network settings. It removes any misconfigured settings that may prevent the device from connecting to roaming network properly. On Android, open settings, tap system or general management, varies by device. Then select reset options or reset, tap reset network settings, confirm and reset your device. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset to choose Reset Network Settings, enter a passcode and confirm. Fix 8. Contact Mint Support. Call Mint Mobile Support for assistance. Dial 1-800-683-7392 for assistance. Ask the support team to refresh your device's network registration, which can resolve connectivity issues with roaming services. If the international pass fails to work, inquire about a refund. Mint Mobile may offer partial refunds depending on the circumstances. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.